Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we'll need to open up settings, and let's go back to the main settings page. And what I recommend doing is probably right now signing out of your iCloud account. Now, as you can see, I am not even signed in, so I don't need to do anything, but you most likely are. So you can sign out of it. This will require you to put in your password in there just so it signs out. And from there, we're gonna go into General. Then we're gonna select Reset iPhone, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. It gives you a little pop-up right here letting you know that this will erase basically all apps and data, which equates to about 15.5 gigs of storage. Now, newsflash, it's not removing anything like that because all the storage that is taken right now is just by the OS itself, so Apple OS, and along with all the apps that come with it. So this is just the default storage space that it requires to actually function. So once you reset it and set up the device, it will tell you again that it takes that much space. So there we go. Obviously, if you have already installed applications, it will be a little bit bigger than it is for me. But this is the bare minimum amount of storage that it will technically remove. Anyway, we can select continue, and this brings up a pop-up. Are you sure you want to erase all media, content, and settings? This cannot be undone. Let's select erase iPhone, and this will now begin the process. This entire process should take about like couple minutes, probably up to 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer depending, but once it's finished, we'll be then presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your iPhone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.